How to hard reset VIVO Y19s. Step 1. To start, turn off your VIVO Y19s by pressing the power button. Step 2. Next, press and hold both the power button and volume up button simultaneously. Step 3. The fast boot mode screen will appear. Use the volume up button to scroll through the options, and press the power button to select.